So today I wanted to show you the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe XL Limited. Complete with navigation, ventilated seats, and the biggest sunroof you've ever seen, this is sure to wow your neighbors. Now the XL means that it's going to have third row capabilities. The second row has heated seats, and you'll see that there's lots of space for all of your passengers in the Hyundai Santa Fe XL. As we open up the power lift tailgate, you're going to notice the amount of cargo space that we have with the seats folded up. However, if you don't need the extra seating in the very back, you can very easily put the seats down to give you extra cargo space. Now the limited trim level is very family friendly, complete with memory seats, a heated steering wheel and blind spot detection, power front seats, that's including the passenger side. As I hop in, as promised, you have your navigation system built in, complete with heated and cooled front seats. Now my favorite part about this SUV is going to be the panoramic sunroof that comes with it. If you or somebody you know is interested in this beautiful SUV, give me a call or text 519-301-7114.